Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now we will be discussing about the blank lines and indentation. Do not add blank lines, spaces, or indentations without a reason. For readability, add blank lines to separate large or logical code blocks. For readability, add two spaces of indentation. Do not use the tab key. For instance, when you are writing your code, this one is good, as you can see, but when you are writing code, as you can see inside here, we are having space, we are having one gap in between body tag and h1 tag, one gap in between body h1 tag and h2 tag. The h2 and p tag, they are together. We have another gap, and as you can see, this code here is nice. Let me now show you something. When we scroll down here, this one is bad. The h1 tag is too closer to the body tag, is bad, and you don't separate all this. So definitely it is very bad to do this. It is very what? It is bad. And also in your table, when you use your table like this, it is nice when you have your table like this. The table immediately, the table row follows, immediately the th follows, like that. So it's very good, it's good. UL also good like that. But when you are writing your normal code like h1 tag, h2 tag, p tag, body tag, all those things, you need to be very careful. Let me show you example like this place now. This one is nice, the code is nice like this, but you want to write like h2 code. Don't write h2 code immediately after this like this and start writing something. It's not good. You can just give it a gap, one gap, and write other thing. And if you want to write another thing, let's say you want to write p tag, you can write, wow, this is cool. It will make your document look neat. Even when you reload your browser, everything will become clean. But let's say you are writing everything together, join, it will not look nice. So you should be careful for that. Be aware of it. So that's what I want to show you guys. And also, these codes right here, because of this indent here, you may also do it like this and it will still works. Don't add the tab like this by yourself. If not, the code can give you some error in some cases. So, but as you can see, this is p tag. Every space you gave it is going to clean it automatically. That's why it's not affecting the p tag. But there are some code when you are writing it, if you give it this kind of tab automatically by yourself, manually by yourself, it may affect something. So be aware of it. This is what I want to show you right now. And to the next, Anwar Akorede is my name. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.